Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your cooking experience, the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach 6-Slice Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. We found this fantastic appliance online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven? This versatile countertop oven is designed not just for toasting, but also for baking, broiling, and convection cooking, making it a multifunctional addition to your kitchen. With its roll-top door, you get easy access to your food without the hassle of traditional doors blocking your countertop space. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this toaster oven a must-have. First, it boasts a spacious interior that can accommodate a 5-pound chicken, a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or a 9x11-inch bake pan without handles. If you're cooking for a family or hosting friends, this large capacity ensures you can whip up meals and side dishes all at once. One of the most appealing aspects of this toaster oven is its 4 cooking functions: convection, bake, broil, and toast. The convection setting is particularly impressive, as it circulates heated air around your food, allowing for even cooking and crispy results. In fact, convection cooking can reduce cooking times by up to 25%, which is a game changer for busy home cooks. The controls on this toaster oven are straightforward and user-friendly, featuring a 30-minute timer with a stay-on function for longer cooking tasks, a ready bell to alert you when your food is done, and an auto shut-off feature for added safety. Cleanup is a breeze, too, thanks to the slide-out crumb tray that catches any messes, while the roll-top door design keeps drips from making a mess on your countertop. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking for a quick way to prepare meals, or perhaps a college student with limited kitchen space, this toaster oven is perfect for you. It's also ideal for anyone who enjoys meal prepping or entertaining, as it allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously without hogging your entire kitchen. In terms of practical use cases, the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven can help you whip up a variety of meals. You can quickly heat up leftovers, broil chicken breasts for a healthy dinner, or even toast bagels for breakfast. Its versatility means it can handle everything from simple snacks to full meals, making it an essential tool for anyone who enjoys cooking. The design is not just functional but also stylish, with a sleek silver finish that fits well in any kitchen decor. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, this toaster oven is a fantastic tool to add to your culinary arsenal. In summary, the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach 6-Slice Countertop Convection Toaster Oven is a versatile, user-friendly, and spacious appliance that can meet the needs of various home cooks. Its multiple cooking functions, easy-to-clean features, and smart design make it a great choice for anyone looking to